Alright, today we're building a Pokemon model kit featuring Mew. Look at the box, got it. It's $12 at Hobby Lobby, but it was on sale, so I paid $8, I think. Don't need any tools or paint. This is new. Instructions are on the inside. Are they actually? Yep, they are painted onto the box. So because of how difficult this is going to be to film, I'll be right back. Alright, got the head done. And you already used 3 spots of one row. I know there's a proper name for these things. I just don't know where it is at the moment. And we have a Mew. Not bad, only 2 stickers for the eyes. So they're big, they're easy. Its tail is on the ball joint. Can easily pop off. And has a stand. Has a little playful look to it. A very nice model kit for $8. I like it. A good shelf piece. And there we go.